'cause this pain I feel it won't go away. And today I'm officially missing you. I thought that from
These top 5 best ways to walk in order to lose weight. This is from my own personal experience, especially these are the things that I've incorporated in my exercise routine post C-section. I am currently 5 months post C-section, and this is great for anyone. It doesn't have to be someone who just had a baby. It could just be anybody from a beginner to advanced. You tweak it according to your fitness level. So right now, you know, my fitness level, and when I first started exercising 6 weeks post C-section, I started off walking, and I realized the benefits of just walking in general. I didn't have to kill myself in a gym. Walking, in addition to nutrition, was key for me at helping me to definitely slim down and just to be an overall healthier individual. So with that being said, I am currently, not to make this about this post C-section or post pregnancy, because this information is beneficial to everyone. But some people in my comments were asking me if I'm losing my milk supply because I'm exclusively breastfeeding with baby Paige. And a lot of individuals were just confused in terms of exercising and losing your milk supply. For exercising in general is healthy. For you to be an overall healthier individual, exercising is key. So what I've been doing, I haven't been doing anything strenuous. I've just been walking, a little bit of jogging, some indoor exercise routines, and also I made nutrition a key component to everything. So with that being said, I still have my milk supply. My milk supply have not depleted since I've been living a healthier lifestyle. That just doesn't work out that way. Top 5 ways for you to walk in order to lose weight. Walking up and down the bleacher, that's one. Not running. I would keep my heart rate typically between 90 to 120 and just take advantage of the whole entire set. To take advantage of the outdoors. The vitamin D is so beneficial. I get the most or the best results when I'm working outdoors. And that's just it. Let's walk up and down. Then I will walk towards the next set of bleachers until I complete the whole entire set of bleachers. Walking in general, first thing in the morning, I'll walk with Paige. I'll take advantage of a residential area that has steep hills. So I'll walk up and down the steep hills. There's no running, there's no intense exercise routine. It is a little bit challenging to walk up and down the steep hill, and I typically will go fasted, but it depends on your level of fitness. So the first way was walking up and down the bleacher, that's one. The second way is to take advantage of residential areas that have steep hills, that's 2. Number 3 would be to take advantage of the track, jogging and walking at the same time. This is great for someone who is trying to build their endurance. How I started off running a mile straight without stopping at all, and I got my mile down to 7 minutes and 30 seconds at one point. So how I did that was just jogging and walking, and eventually my endurance started to build up and I was able to just run straight. I don't like to stay and perform the same exercise routine all the time because I tend to get bored. And 4th one would be just walking briskly, go in at a faster state, take advantage of that brisk walk. So that's 4. And typically in the morning at a faster state or at the absence of insulin, I like to perform steady state cardio. But if I am incorporating any interval training, like running up and down the bleachers, I'm going to need some type of carbohydrates to give me that source of energy. So in the morning, and when I'm performing interval training, what I'll do is I'll eat an apple, a banana, something small to just give me that boost of energy, the insulin spike that I need to just perform the exercise routine. And then when I go back home, I'll have my breakfast. Just eating balanced nutritional meals, macronutrient dense protein, fats, and carbohydrates. What I would typically do if I find a set of bleachers, I would take advantage of the whole entire set, and I'll perform 5 sets of that, with resting in between. Jogging up, walking down, resting when I walk to the next stairs or next bleachers, next set of bleachers, and then I will continue the next set. Running up, walking back down. I hope that you were able to learn from this content. If you struggle with your exercise routine, let me know. What is it that you struggle with in your exercise routine? Just write it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.
All I hear is raindrops falling from a rooftop. Oh baby, tell me why'd you have to go? 'Cause this pain I feel it won't go away. And today I'm officially missing you.